Now,
Thank you. You're being really kind. Uh, First, let me start by thanking Raju Mallya sir from Ragam Movies. Like Major Ravi sir had told, 18 years of my career, I have never come across a producer so passionate about cinema. The reason I have this conversation with you was on set while we were filming, and I got to meet Raju sir, and he gave me his whole history of movie making since '79. He's quite a stalwart in this industry, and it's his passion that drives us. Dr. Roy C.J. sir, fellow Bangalorean, I would go past your office almost every day, very close to Baldwin's, if I'm not wrong. And it's great to have you on board, and I can confidently say that our product is in good hands with you. But thank you so much for having you on board, sir, and Raju Mallya, sir. Coming to the main three people that I thank more than anything about this project, the director Akhil Paul, Anas Khan, and Tovino. From me as an actor in 18 years of my career, I just want to say thank you for having me on board. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. It's been memories I'll never forget for the rest of my life. It's an opportunity I think every actor yearns for. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I do not know the fate of this movie. I always hope and pray for the best, but for the memories, the work, the fun, and all the sentiments we've shared for almost a year, I miss you guys terribly. I really miss you guys terribly. The story started with Akhil coming to Chennai and telling me the script. And I immediately called, and hadn't met Tovino by then. I called up Tovi and I said, Tovi, I'm doing this movie no matter what. That's the strength of the script and how good this project is going to be. The other person I'd like to thank is Trisha for joining this project. I've had the pleasure of working with her 12 years before, and I worked with her again. To the lead actor, Tovi. I hadn't met Tovi before. And the first time we met on set, we got along brilliantly. He walks in with this incredible smile, bringing in great energy to the set. And I think whatever work you get to see from me is all the best that he can give, brought out of me. So thanks, Tovi. Thank you for everything. It's been nothing short of a privilege, man, sharing time with you, speaking to you about our passion for movies, our journey to cinema over here. Personally, in my 18-year career, I don't know if it's satisfaction, happiness, this truly has been the best project I've been a part of, and I always believe a good project is because of the people you work with, and this has been 100% right. So thank you everyone. I see a lot of faces over here, people who have been a part of the Identity family. Anis, you and your great art direction. Every day I used to work in your sets, I learned so many new things about you. Gayatri with your costumes, Andrew with the CG. Anas, thank you for being a great teacher. Aju, who we had a great time shooting. Just a clue, I report a lot to him. So to him, Shami Tilakat sir, and Bijoy Jakes. And Jakes Bobby, I haven't met you, but I heard the music, it was incredible. To this wonderful set of ADs who kept troubling me in this 1 year. Abile, Abidabe, and Bobby Cheta, and Stija, and a host of you all who have been a family to me for 1 year. Believe me, it's been nothing short of memorable. I wish you the best, all of you. I hope this movie does really well. I've got my prayers, and I stand behind this project 100%. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.
thank you very much, sir. I have a very humble request. I just spoke about the Unnale Unnale song. So if you can just have 2 lines of the song for all of us.
I am an actor, I'm not a singer,
But
so you
still,
have to
if you could
excuse
give a
me.
try, that would make us so happy. So just, if you could try, just Unnale Unnale. We would love to listen to that coming from you. Just we'll do that together. Unnale.
Identity, yes.
Maybe that tune you can try then.
I am thankful that you like that movie. I am actually looking forward to Identity right now. But
All right,
I
so we
don't-
should speak and sing about identity, right?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So please, sir, once again a request from all Malayalis. do Malayalam films
Of
often
course.
and more
I
frequently.
love it here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was a privilege having you with us today. Thank you very much.